So someone last night in the wee hours of the morning spent $150 million on SHIB, and today I'm going to talk about who that could be, if it's Elon Musk or maybe it's Binance or Coinbase. We're going to talk about that in today's video because it's very interesting. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about, like I said, is just Shiba Inu and the price action recently and what I think is going to happen in the future. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a fat like on it, and as well subscribe to the channel and follow my Instagram right here. I'm posting giveaways daily just with crypto giveaways, SHIB giveaways, just everything you need just to get better at crypto. I'm posting plays, all that. And lastly, check out my paid Discord. Basically, if you guys struggle with coins and you never know what to invest in, dude, I literally have the sauce for you. And I have a coin that's dropping soon. That's my coin, which my last one did a 20x from launch. And I think this one will do a 50 to 100x. And only the paid chat will be able to get in. So I'm opening up 10 spots for my paid Discord chat. If you want in, you can click the top link in my bio to get into the chat. And yeah, literally people have been making money left, right, and center. We've doubled our money a couple times today, actually. And it's not going to stop anytime soon. So 10 spots left. Get in while you can. I just rose the price. I'm about to raise it again. Very good investment, but without further ado, let's get into this video. So, Shiba Inu last night had a $150 million buy. People have been talking about it on Twitter. They've been talking about the spike. They've been speculating on who it could be. And I actually think this time around, it may not be Elon Musk. Last time, you guys know that I kind of debunked the whole theory of Elon actually, being in Shiba Inu. I proved it. There was a big ass buy that came in for $69,420. Elon's tweeted about SHIB in the past. The admins have even said that I can't, come out and say who my name is because my voice is recognizable. There's a bunch of, signs that point towards Elon actually holding Shiba Inu. Now, last night, literally in the wee hours of the morning, there was a huge buy that came in, and you can see on screen right now, it literally spiked the hell out of the coin. It was absolutely crazy. And people were talking about it on Twitter, and I just want to kind of get on here, and I think that it was Binance. I really do think that Binance was the reason why this kind of pumped to begin with, because they're known to have it on their spreadsheet, and I don't think this is any different. I think that they're the ones holding this coin, and I think that also Coinbase is about to get ready to list this thing. I've seen a lot of people talking about it on Twitter. Literally, if you type in Shiba Inu Coinbase, there's a ton of people that literally are every day tweeting at Coinbase like, hey, open up SHIB for trading on Coinbase. It would moon it. And I don't think this is any different. Like, Coinbase Pro is going to add it in September. I've seen this multiple times. And I don't think this is going to stop. I think that this, right now we're down 2% or 3% actually. But I think that we're actually going to continue to be on an upwards trend in the near future. Right now, we're just kind of taking a little breather, I think. But I just kind of wanted to clear that up. I know that was a rumor going on today that there was a huge buy. Who could have that been? I think that was just an exchange. I don't think it was Elon this time around, but I do think still that Elon's holding Shiba Inu. Just an interesting video I wanted to get out really quick to you guys. I'm still holding this coin. Like I said, I think that we still have a very bright future. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram, do all that jazz, and lastly, check out my paid Discord. You won't regret it. We have a ton of new value coming out every single day for the coin, and pretty much every single coin that's coming out recently that we've just been doubling our money. And we do NFTs, giveaways, sports bets, pretty much everything in the chat. So join that, link in the description, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video.